Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Just yesterday I made a video on this, getting this text to path equally. So I've already done it. Of course, my wording is not exactly the same, but this is going to make life a little easier. If we select all this, if we draw an ellipse and we hit P, we'll take a 2-point line holding on the control button and hit P, Control D and make a duplicate and rotate it 90 degrees. And then take your virtual segment delete key and delete these lines. Now, what we could do is Control D, alternate C, and rotate it 90 degrees, Control D, Control D. So what we have is 4 paths. Now, it might be easier to rotate them 45 degrees so we have something on top. And we're going to take, let's see, the United States is over here. So we're going to go, no, you know what? Let's just do it like this. Take it and go text to path, put it on that path. Okay, you see what's happening? The word is backwards. So what it is, those texts, those paths are backwards. So what I'm going to do is delete these 3. I'm going to grab my shape tool. And if you notice the arrows are going the wrong direction, select both of them, right click and reverse subpath. Now we're going to Control D, alternate C, plus 90 degrees. Must not happen. Plus 90 degrees. There, well, that's not right. Let's take the one apart. Control D, and then let's just rotate it 90 degrees. Well, what am I doing wrong? You know what? Let's Control D and do a negative 90 degrees. There we go. And then Control D, Control D. Now let's take the United States, go text the path. And when you get that red line, it's there. Let's take the fabulous at 92, text the path. And when you get that red line, it's in the center. Now Dave's going to be upside down in a second, but we're going to go text the path, get that red line. Now, those don't look like they're equally spaced, but they are because these are dead center. So what we're going to do now is left click, right click Dave, and put it upside down. You know what? Maybe we don't have to do that. We'll have to do, let's just do it like this. Let's go text the path. Yeah, we're going to have to rotate it, but you can always rotate it now, and then you can move it down to the path. Now take your shape tool. Whenever you put letters on the bottom, they look funny, so you can spread them out with the shape tool. And there you have it. Then you can take away your path. Whoop, I didn't break the part. Select it all, go up to object, break the objects apart, and take your paths away. And you have them all equally spaced out. And we can kind of prove that with an indexing line. We hit P and P. And if we click on the fabulous, the X is right on the indexing line. The X is close, and not so close. That might have happened when I stretched it, but what you could do is take that Dave and alternate C it, and then it's going to rotate from the center, and then just grab one of these handles and then click off of it. We're still not in the, you want that X right pretty close to that line. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody. You know, it looks off because, you know, the United States is a longer word than the other words. So it looks off, but it's not. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.